Welcome to eSehat.org. LERM is a world-class platform managing resources and information for laboratories and quality management systems for enterprises.
Hello, in this video we are going to see the role of CSE user in LERM. First we have to log in into CSE user's account. After logging, we can only access modules which is required for CSE user. Now the role of CSE users is to create entries. To create entries, we have to go to in Entries tab under Laboratories. Here we can add new entries. So we will have to click on Add button. After clicking on Add button, we will see this menu. In this menu, we will have Party field. In Party field, we will select a party from which we are going to receive a sample. After selecting party, we will click on Create New Sample. In this menu, we will be going to specify information like fiction type, storage location, and also product type of a sample. And in this field, we will describe our product as per our client. Next, we have package quantity field. In this field, we will specify the number of packages we have. Now here we will specify the type of packages. Currently we have only this option, so we will select this. Next, we will select package state. After selecting package state, we will assign label to our sample. For example, we will create two labels here, label 1 and label 2. After giving labels, we will have to specify the services we have to perform on the samples. Now to select services, we have to click on Search button. Here we have two types of services. First is single type of service and second is set type of services. In single type of service, we have only one service that has to perform on the sample. And in set type of service, we have a set of services that has to perform on the samples. Next, we will click on OK button. After filling the detailed information, we will select our zone. As we can see, we have created two samples with two labels as we specified label 1 and label 2. After this, we will have to fill the information about contacts. Here we have three types of contacts, that is invoice contact, report contact, and acknowledgement contacts. To select contact, we have to click on Add button here. After clicking on Add button, we will get this interface. Now here, if you want to create new contact, we will have to click on Add New Contacts or select. We can select a contact that we already have. Next, we have to click on Confirmed button. As we can see, our samples is confirmed. Now we can see samples here that we have just confirmed, and also all the required details we can be seen in this tab. Now in samples we create fractions. Currently we have only one fraction because we have specified only one service. If you want to add another type of analysis, we can always create another fraction so that we can perform that service on that fraction. To create a fraction, we have to click on Add button. After clicking on Add button, we will get this same menu. So we need to fill the same as done before. So after filling general information, we will go for services. Here we need to click on Add button, and we can easily add as many services as we want on a fraction. Next, we will click on OK. As we can see, now we have two fractions. After saving the record, we get this unique ID number from each fraction so that we can identify which service is performed on which fraction. If you want to see fractions in more details, then there is Fraction tab on the left. By clicking on Fraction tab, we can see newly added fractions in detail. One double clicking on the fractions, we can get all the information about the fractions, and also we can see which service is assigned to which fractions. Now this information is given to technical manager so that he can perform his role.